Hello friends, welcome back to Explore Vlogs. So during this lockdown period I was getting bored in my home. So I thought let me make some paneer tikka barbecue at home. So I will show you how to make it friends. So let's get started friends. So I have taken 1 cup thick curd for marination. Here are some paneer cubes. So now I am going to add some spices for the marination friends. So this is 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1½ teaspoon garam masala, and this is ginger garlic chili paste, 2 teaspoon friends, and 3 teaspoons salt according to your taste. So let me mix this marination well friends to make it a thick paste. Now I am going to add paneer piece and coat this marination to make tikkas. After coating, I will leave this for 30 minutes so the flavor gets into the paneer friends. So friends, this is clarified butter and this is silicone brush. I will be adding this to the grill. Now I am placing the paneer tikkas on the grill and it's ready to start barbecue, friends. So now I am applying clarified butter. So the paneer tikka is ready, friends. It looks something like this. It's very tasty. You can also make it at home. It's very soft from the inside and it's very hot and fresh, friends. So if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest video notification, and also share this video with your friends So see you in the next video friends. Till then, bye bye.